Welcome to G&G Joinery Services Limited. This is a short but important induction video. Please give it your full attention, and any issues please let your contracts manager know. The purpose of the induction process is for you to understand important health and safety procedures, to become familiar with our processes, and to ensure you are paid correctly and on time. Risk assessments and method statements. You need to read, understand and comply with our risk assessments and method statements. Live copies can be found on the G&G app. Hard copies can be found in every site office. You will need to sign and acknowledge the risk assessments on the app and the hard copies found in the site office. If you don't understand the RAMs, you need to contact your contracts manager and they will go through the process with you. See the poster shown in all site offices and included in the starters pack. The information supplied on these posters must be followed. If you don't hold a face-fit certificate, let your contracts manager know. They will arrange for the training to be done. There are different types of face mask, but you must always use the correct one. Face masks must be worn in all fixes when using power tools. Dust bags are only allowed to be used when working outside. M-class vacuum must be used when working inside plots. There are different types of circular saw, but you must always use the correct one. Your circular saw must have a hose attachment to allow a dust bag or M-class vacuum to be attached. Materials should always be on a flat surface and stable. Materials should be secured to the saw bench with G-clamp. The depth of the blade should be set to the depth of the material. The area around the saw bench should be safe and clear of any debris. The blade guard should be in working use. Remember, the more you use a hand saw, the less dust is generated. Pass-load nail guns always need eye protection and ear protection whilst using. If you don't hold a pass-load training certificate, let your contract manager know and they can arrange for the training to be done. This applies whether using a first fixed nail gun, second fixed nail gun or twist nail gun. Don't start working until the face fit or pass load nail gun training has been done. Don't start working if you don't have a face mask. Don't start work if you don't have a M-class vacuum. No dust control. Skip the power tool, use a handsaw. When fitting fire doors, this must be done by a trained qualified joiner. If you don't hold the required certificate, please let us know and we will arrange the necessary training. It is a requirement that G&G Joinery sign off and certify all fire doors. You will receive a starter pack detailing some important information and explaining exactly what we require. Certificates of training are required for the following: face fit test. We can give this training. See your contracts manager. Pass load nail gun training. We can give this training. See your contracts manager. A copy of your skilled operative CSCS card. A copy of your public liability insurance certificate. Read the contract carefully, and when you fully understand it, sign it and return it to your contracts manager to ensure prompt payment. For any fixings that you might require, such as nails, glue or other items, there is an ordering process in place. You forward a message to your contracts manager to place the order. You must include the items you require, the site you need the delivery to and your contact details. The delivery will be done next day by FP Hertings. They will phone you to accept the delivery. On Sunday night you will need to email the office to book in. You must submit an invoice and supply all the necessary details to ensure for you to get paid directly into your bank account. All variation and day work needs to be pre-authorized by the client before the work is done. Your contracts manager will tell you to do this work once the paperwork is in place. Do not do any extra overwork without the correct paperwork in place. No payment can be made without the client authorized paperwork. If you have any questions, always contact the contracts manager or the office for assistance. And remember, health and safety is everyone's responsibility. To find out more, you can visit the G&G website at www.gandgjoinery.co.uk.